Danke bafowethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs noCollins Mbesuma. But ngifuna ukuqala nge-scouting department seKaizer Chiefs lesi esabuilda i-formidable team ukuthi bayazi ukuthi bafuna ukuthola ama-player anjani azodlala under Kaizer Chiefs, i-style of play nanokuthi ama-players kumele abe talented kangakanani. So bekungasayinwa uKaizer Chiefs, bekungasayinwa nje ama-player just for sake ukuthi udlalele iKaizer Chiefs, no bekusayina umuntu abaziyo ukuthi uzofika ahluphe, bebenze i-research yabo kahle, bathola i-striker vele esiyingozi ngempela. So basayina almost over 20 years ago basayina uCollins Mbesuma, akaziwe ufika la eSouth Africa, naye akazi ukuthi impilo yakhe izoshintsha kanjani makafika la eSouth Africa. First season, one season only, ushaya 35 goals. Ayikaze yenzeka lento le, ushaya 35 goals ngesizini eyodwa, yabo. Ku-PSL ushaya 25 goals, yashisa. Nami bengisaseyintwana, ngikaze ngambukela uMbesuma straight ngoba bengisasemncane kakhulu, bengazi nokuthi kwenzakalani, but bengizwa all over la ngihamba khona kuthiwa Mbesuma. So that was the style and the philosophy yeKaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay, thina sokutholela istrike eshishisayo eningasazi nokuthi sibuyaphi, yabo. So thola umfana nje omncane ozofike nje anibonise ukuthi amagoli ashawa kanjani, or sothola i-defend li-strong elizonibonisa like elizoba nenkani, sothola i-midfield so iKaizer Chiefs beyine-style sokuthi ithola ama-player anjani. Kufana ubheke ne-player elifana noKatsande, ne uKatsande stop nonsense. Ngiyamzonda-ke mina futhi bengimzonda kabi uKatsande asadlala cause bekakhahlela kwasani, but into engichazayo mase sengikhula ngibona ukuthi uKatsande beka-important kangakanani kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bekastopa wonke udoti. Manje kudlalela neKaizer Chiefs bebaza abantu ukuthi kunalesilima lesuKatsande and ngeke undluleke lapha, kudlula wena or ibhola, ngeke nihambe no-2. Umuntu ofana noKatsande ethimini important kakhulu ngoba ustopa yonke inonsense eyenzakalayo, yabo, ne-threat from ama-skillful players, abantu bebamsaba kakhulu. So but njengoba ngimention uKatsande kulento le kaMbesuma, ngifuna nje ukumention ukubaluleka kweplayer leKaizer Chiefs nokuthi modlala leKaizer Chiefs bo-representani bebangasayini nje player nyana nje just nje, bebasayina iplayer vele elinomsebenzi abalazi ukuthi okay lo simsayinele ukwenza umsebenzi, so lo simsayinele amagoli, lo simsayinele ukustop inonsense unumber 6, lo simsayinele ukuthi uyidefend elinenkani, ugoalkeeper like i-history yobo-goalkeeper uKaizer Chiefs itumele ngikhune Fernandez or ubani besimbiza uFernandos thina. Usuye ubani kubaloyi, uyabona like iKaizer Chiefs ngabo goalkeeper besazi ukuthi okay iKaizer Chiefs izokuproducela abo goalkeeper ba-right, ama-winger right skillfully, i-strike esishaya amagoli singadlali. But konke lokho sokushintshile, ngithemba ukuthi they will go back to their glory days nokuscoutha kwabo njenga-before, i-base yabo ibe strong ukuthi i-team efana neKaizer Chiefs enkulu kangaka ukuthi ibuyele back to their glory days. But yeah, khona okushintshile okuningi, but Collins Mbesuma 35 goals in one season, hey.